Namaskar parents, good morning kids, how are you all? Hope you all are happy, safe at your home. My name is Achal ma'am from New Era Global School. So now first start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। मुनियों ने समझी है, गुनियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की बानी। हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा, मुकुट सर पे साजे। मन से हमारे मिटा के अंधेरा, हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। ये जो आज की प्रेयर थी वो थी शारदे माँ पर, मतलब सरस्वती माँ पर, जो है विद्या की देवी। सरस्वती माँ किसकी देवी है? विद्या की। नाउ rub your hands, put them on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. And now you will refresh. So today's session will start with phonic sound. A says A, B says B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, W, X, Y, and Z. What is the phonic sound of Z? So our phonic sound is done. Now revision time. We revise 3-letter word having A sound. So first we take app cluster. Which cluster is this? App cluster. App, map, map यानी नक्शा. Then which picture is this? मैंने आपको बताया था दो चीजों के बीच में अगर जगह हो, थोड़ी सी दूरी हो, तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Which letter is this? Letter G. And what is the phonic sound of G? G. And which cluster we learn today? App. G. App. Gap. Yes. G. App. Gap. Gap. Which picture is this? Gap. Then which picture is this? Tap. T. Apple. टैप यानी नल, टैप यानी नल. Now which picture is this? Now we take up next cluster, and cluster. So which picture is this? Pen, p, and pen, pen. Then r and ran, ran यानी दौड़ना. म and man यानी आदमी. व and van. आप लोग वैन स्कूल में कैसे आते हो? वैन में, राइट? Then now we take another cluster. Sad, sad, sad. Sad यानी दुखी होना. Then which picture is this? A father with his son. हम father को और क्या बोल सकते हैं? dad, dad यानी पापा. Then which picture is this? lad यानी boy. Then which picture is this? pad यानी जिस पे हम रख के हमारा क्लास वर्क करते हैं, राइट? Now we take another cluster, at cluster. फैट यानी मोटा होना. बैट हम बैट से क्या करते हैं? क्रिकेट खेलते हैं ना. we play a cricket with the help of a bat and ball. Which picture is this? rat यानी चूहा. Then there are two types of mat. Mat. There are two types of mat. One is table mat and one is door mat. Mat. Then which picture is this? Cat यानी बिल्ली. What does the sound cat makes? Meow. What does the sound cat makes? Meow. Cat. So our 3-letter words having same sound revision is done. Now classwork time. So yesterday what did we learn? Yesterday we learned small letter P. Yesterday I will introduce you small capital letter P in our textbook. So how we write capital letter P? Standing line, left side, curve. So now our today's classwork is in English worksheet. So take out English worksheet everyone and take out page number 20. Take out page number 20. So now trace and write the alphabet letter P in all the box in proper line formation with pencil and speak aloud. हमें क्रेयॉन से नहीं लिखना है, हमें पेंसिल से लिखना है और लिखते लिखते हमें उसको जोर से बोलना भी है. ओके, सो shall we start our today's classwork? So take out your pencil everyone. I will introduce you capital letter P in textbook. So today I will learn how to write capital letter P in our worksheet. So P for parrot, P for for parrot. So first standing line, then left side curve. So same as take out page number 20, write CW and date. Parents, please guide your children. And now, are you all happy today? So make a smiley. Trace and write the letter P. So first we trace the letter P and then we write the letter P. So how we trace the letter P? Pink line to blue line, standing line and left side curve. Pink line to blue line, standing line and left side curve. P says pa. P says pa. Pink line to blue line, standing line, left side curve. Which letter is this? P. Pa. हम स्मॉल लेटर में कर्व कहाँ करते थे? बिटवीन टू ब्लू लाइंस. ओके, बट वी इन कैपिटल लेटर हमें लेफ्ट साइड कर्व कहाँ पे करना है? पिंक लाइन और ब्लू लाइन के बीच में. ओके, सो नाउ standing line, left side curve makes the letter P and P says pa. Now give me three names of vegetables who start with letter P. Pa, pa, pumpkin. Pa, pa, peas. Pa, pa, potato. Very good. Now give me three names of a bird. Pa, pa, pigeon. Pa, pa, peacock. Pa, pa, parrot. Very good. Now our trace part is done. Now writing time. Pink line to blue line we make a standing line, and between pink line and blue line we make a left side curve. P says pa. P for pencil. P for pen. P for post office. P for pot. So today's class work is done. Now homework time. So our today's class work is in Term 2 Nursery English Worksheet. So take out English worksheet everyone and take out page number 20. Page number 20. Now जैसे कि हमने अभी क्लास वर्क किया, so write CW here and HW here because half page is in class work and other half page is in homework. Remember kids, आपको क्लास वर्क मेरे साथ करना है और होमवर्क अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ. So now in two line we trace the letter P and then we write the letter P same as class work. So pink line to blue line we make a standing line, then left side curve. जहाँ से हमने स्टैंडिंग लाइन स्टार्ट की है ना, हमने वहाँ से ही कर्व को स्टार्ट करना है, राइट? पिंक लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, लेफ्ट साइड कर्व. पिंक लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, लेफ्ट साइड कर्व. So our today's class work and homework is done. Now let's quick recall. So our today's class work and homework is in English worksheet. Capital letter P. Yesterday I introduced you how to write capital letter P. So today we learn how to write capital letter P in worksheet. So today's class work and homework is class work page number 20, half in worksheet. Homework page number 20, other half in worksheet. So today's class work and homework is done. Hope you like our today's class work and homework. Enjoy your awesome day. Thank you everyone.